Guess who's back? Hello everyone. It is 11 o'clock, but we're gonna make some pancakes because it's summer and my kids sleep till like forever. So I thought I would pop on and say hi. I know I've been kind of MIA the last week, but those of you guys that have been following, I was away at national conference. After 2-3 years of being virtual, we finally got to be together again. But anyways, long story short, here to show you a quick, easy way to make pancakes because you guys know I'm on a mission to help you guys save some time and money in your kitchen, and also show you that making your own things DIY doesn't have to be complicated, okay? So you can go to the grocery store and you can buy those frozen pancakes, you know, you could do that. Or you can make your own because it is a lot cheaper, right? And you can make a lot of your own pancakes and freeze them as well and have the same concept of heating them up super quickly. All right, so if you're watching live, comment live. If you're watching replay, comment replay. But I am back in my kitchen after a week in Chicago. So I want to show you guys one product that I don't think I talk about a lot, but we use it a lot, is our Pancake Blender Bottle. So think like a protein bottle, protein shaker bottle. Anybody have those, right? So hey Marianne. So anyway, so I wanted to show you this one because it happens to be on sale this month. So right now this is only 20 bucks. So you can click the link in my bio or top link and just order it. It's part of our summer sale. So it's only 20 bucks. And we're also going to have some fun with our shapes right here. Those are on sale as well. So just showing you guys some items on sale. But here's how it works, all right? Let me show you how it works. So it's kind of like a protein shaker bottle, okay? It's got the little ball, it's got the little lid, and then this right here, the top, the little spoon, is actually a measurement. So you can do 6 or 12 pancakes, okay? So here's the 12 pancakes recipe. And then here's the 6, and this is so easy that your kids could do it. So we're just gonna do 6 because it's just for Marco and Gigi, and you can see the little ingredients and then the fill line. So guess what? You don't have to remember the recipe. Yes, yes, mom win. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll show you how simple it is. But my question for today is, have you actually ever made pancakes from scratch? Now I'm not talking about, what is it, the Bisquick mix? Like, I'm talking about actually flour and all that from scratch. Yes or no? Put it in the chat. All right, so here we go. So the first thing is a little milk carton, okay? So we're gonna fill it with milk. You could do almond milk. I've done it all. It doesn't really matter. Whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, whatever. It really, truly, I don't think matters. But okay, so that's the first one. The second line right here is flour. So let me get a spoon for that. All right, second one is flour. Let's see who's popping in, who's joining me. Nope, never. All right, guys, it's okay if you've never done that. It is super simple, not complicated, okay? And this is fun. You could involve your kids in this. So I like to just kind of tap it out and see, there you go, got the flour done. Okay, then it says a pinch of salt. Let me get some salt. Salty salt. Pinch of salt, just a little. Just gonna do a little squirty squirt here. And what's next? 1 spoon of baking powder. So you used the little scoop. That's exactly what it's for. Okay, so you don't have to get anything else out. You can just use these little measurements. Okay, so 1. See that? All right, top it right at the top here, and then we have 2 of these for sugar. Okay. I'll do that. 1, 2, and then 1 egg. And this will make 6 pancakes, okay? Now you can use the 12 recipe on the other side. Whoop. Oops, don't get the shell in there. Thank goodness it was a big one. Oops, okay. Got that? All right, so now all of our ingredients are in here. Now we'll give you a little tip. Put the lid on. Because of the baking powder, if you don't know how to use this product, because of the baking powder, you want to shake it a little bit, and then you want to kind of pop it and release some of the air. So if you feel a lot of pressure, it's the baking powder like bubbling up, okay? So we're just gonna shake it, and that's how easy it is. We're gonna shake it, and that's it. And now your pancakes are done. Your kids could make this. You could add vanilla, cinnamon, you could flavor it, whatever. And now we're gonna open this. I'm just gonna show it to you. You don't need to open it all the way because you can just pour it, okay? And you just made yourself your own pancakes. Now we're gonna pour this into a pan, to a little skillet. Look at that. So it's a fun little gift for a new mom, or maybe somebody that just got their first apartment, or for yourself. So it's 20 bucks and it's on sale right now. And I'm gonna turn it into some fun little shapes with the emoji cutter, emoji stencil, whatever it's called. And it's part of our summer sale, okay? Just this month. They are while supplies last because this is going away. So it's only 20 bucks for the pancake thing, and it's $14.40 for the shapes and the little stencil. So it would be a fun gift. For anybody that has kids at home, these little shapes are definitely fun. Grandkids, right? Anything like that. But we have some of our stoneware that's on sale. So if you want this link, or if you want to see what's on sale, comment sale and I'll send you the whole file. So I know lots of people love a good sale. If not, just click the link in my bio and you can order it, but it is while supplies last. All right, I'm gonna go feed my kids that slept way too long today. But you guys are gonna have a great week, and I'm back in my kitchen. Ciao for now.